getting back from checking out my first professional Drift RC shop, and they had cars there that range from $300 to $3,000. It was really cool to see. I'm planning on getting one eventually, but I wanted to show you guys what I saw, so check it out. Something that was cool that the guy here at the shop was telling me is that the surface these guys are racing on is a special composition surface, a tile that was imported from Japan. Had something to do with the way that the tires on these cars interact with the surface, and also the surface is a lot easier to clean. So it's a lot different than just trying to drift these on something like a kitchen floor. These guys were also telling me I needed to get out here on a Friday night because they can get so many cars going on the track at once that you can see a huge drift train of like 7 to 10 cars going all in a row at once. Difference between like a $3,000 setup and then like something that's not so high end.
Yeah, if you want to do that, look at right here, from this to this.
Yeah. So like from this right here,
So this is
right,
fully
versus, and then this is more your like
upgraded, but not so upgraded. You know, like it's just like this is the Red Cat. This is like a U.S. kind of car. Like the chassis is like U.S. made.
Okay.
It's made here actually. It's developed, or I think it's developed actually in Arizona.
This right here. Okay.
This whole thing is not the motor and ESC and all the electronics, but the actual chassis itself was developed out here in Arizona. The ex-owner of this place. It deserves it sometimes.
And then like, what is this? Like, where are those parts sourced from?
It started. This one started off as a RDX by Rev D, but everything has been swapped out. There's nothing really Rev D RDX about it anymore. It's full AccuBands, electronics, Yokomo servo, Rev D gyro, Bingo RC designed, Bingo Wasp decks. Yeah, it's pretty much fully hopped up. There's more you can do, but
better control, more responsive, stuff like that.
It's all personal preference at the end of the day.
That's
He
awesome,
also does
man.
have the newest trans out on the market, that's for sure.
Yeah, it has a Team AD transmission.
Where's the transmission on this?
Right in between. Right in here.
Right there?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Pretty much the only one running this transmission in Arizona that I know of.
It's all brushless, right?
Yes.
That's
Only brushless.
So these cars run off of like the same thing as like a regular car, like boost and turbo. We have on our controllers we can control the boost and turbo settings when the boost kicks in, when the turbo kicks in, when the turbo turns off, when the boost turns off. There's a lot of things you can kind of adjust on these things.
man, that's awesome.
But yeah, this one's more of an open trans. You can see it. It's more like a skeletonized trans. But
Versus that's more it's encased, right?
that one's
It's
more
in a
like a
case.
skeleton style. But
Yeah.
yeah, it's more enclosed.
That's cool.
Like
And then I
this
noticed
this one is
yeah.
this one is completely closed. You can't see any gears in it. It's completely closed.
I noticed too that the bodies are different. Like this looks like a carbon fiber.
Yeah, so this is literally what that was.
Okay. So this
Yeah, this front end
was
used to
turned
be on
into
that,
this.
Yeah.
Okay. That's cool, man.
But yeah, these are still great cars for sure. Like all these cars you see can all stick together with each other. It's all about your tune for the most part. What you have done to it. Because you can make any car, like people drift like the old school Tamiya TT02s. There's some guy out there that has them right now.
Yeah.
And you kind of can, make it to keep up with you. So it's all about your tune and what you know about it.
Man, that's awesome.